let us see about some of the important compounds of copolymerization. You know very well that copolymerization is the polymerization happening between, it is almost like an addition polymerization happening between two different molecules. Whereas the addition polymerization happens with a single molecule like the CF2 or for that matter Teflon or polythene. Whereas here there are two different molecules, say mainly this is 1,3-butadiene. Butadiene. Okay, 1,3-butadiene plus styrene. The styrene gives Buna S rubber, where this breaks, and of course okay, wherever there is a double bond, the double bond breaks, and the double bond breaks to give an addition compound, and this addition compound will have the direct addition of, okay, that's the here there is a double bond, so that also breaks. Okay, so to give a that is Buna S rubber. Okay, so this is a Buna S rubber. This is a one copolymer. I have told you this is 1,3-butadiene, and this is styrene. So this is about the synthetic Buna S. But then if you look at the natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene. Isoprene is nothing but 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. Two-methyl 1,3-butadiene. They polymerizes to give the rubber. So this rubber has, say that is of course C, this is CH3, where this CH2 is getting a bond here, and of course, okay. So CH and CH2, so this is getting repeated. Or you can even take this as, for our convenience, since we have written this like this, so this can be even like this, where a linking happens. Okay, so many such units of this gives the natural rubber. Natural rubber no doubt has a very good elastic property, but when it comes to the tensile strength or the rigidity, it is much less. So to add the quantity of the tensile strength, they add sulfur sulfur cross-linkings are made to the rubber. That is called the vulcanization of rubber. Vulcanization of rubber is adding cross-linking using sulfur. That is the vulcanization of rubber. So this gives the strength to the rubber. So wherever possible, this is actually, this S is getting added. Okay, so we get, so like this. There can be one single S or there can be another. So like that these units get repeated on all the directions. So giving them the required strength. So this is called the vulcanization of natural rubber. By vulcanizing the rubber, you are able to get a more rigid property of rubber, which can be used in making certain automobile tires and all. Of course, nowadays, we are only getting the synthetic this thing like butadiene or butadiene or Buna S rubber or Buna N rubber, like that. Okay, so same thing with sort of this thing which if it is with the neoprene, 1,3-butadiene with the neoprene, we get the Buna N rubber. Neoprene units are getting added to the 1,3-butadiene. So 1,3-butadiene. Okay. Okay. Let us see them on our next slide, since we don't have place to write this. Other synthetic rubbers, we already seen Buna S. Now there is another thing called neoprene. Neoprene is a polymer of isoprene. This is yeah, okay. So this neoprene is a polymer of chloroprene. Chloroprene is 1,3. That is 2-chloro, 1,3-butadiene. 2-chloro, 1,3-butadiene. This is chloroprene. N molecules of this, they polymerize. Okay, they polymerize rather than, because this is a single entity, they polymerize, they add to form neoprene. So neoprene will be this is neoprene. Neoprene is highly resistant to vegetable oils and other things, so it is used for making gaskets, oil seals and all. Okay, so it is very much resistant to vegetable oil or other things, so for as a storage for them also it can be used. So it can be used for making gaskets, oil seals and all. That is neoprene. And the second is Buna N. Buna N is 1,3-butadiene, is a copolymer of 1,3-butadiene. Butadiene with acrylonitrile. Acrylonitrile we know very well as S2C, CH, CN. Okay, 1,3-butadiene with acrylonitrile. acrylonitrile. So once this is N and that is N, add if to form an addition compounds like this is Buna N rubber. Okay, both Buna S and Buna N are useful for making automobile tires. They are a replacement to rubber. They have high tensile strength and other, both they have little elasticity as well as rigidity. So they are useful for copolymerization. Okay, so this is useful for making automobile tires. So this is about synthetic rubbers.